Good evening, ma'am. Sorry na late ko pasa sa video report o PPT na ako, ma'am. Ang akong report ni ma'am kay institutional organizational theory means that companies or institutions success doesn't not only from making money, but it also influenced by fitting in the environment as a rules, societal norms, and the people. Institutional organizational theory, ma'am, nasa upat ka tayo. Number 1 is institutional change. It is when a company or in a situation suddenly shift from one thing to another. For example, technology, a company needs to fit in with the latest changes in the world for it to succeed and keep it up. So kumbaga nag-level up dapat. Number 2, institutional logics. There are the beliefs of rules that an institutional needs to follow, which align to how they see their organization to be. For example, if your institution or company is about collaboration, then the people must be involved in teamwork and collective in achievements. Kung kumbaga mo yung imong organisasyon mag-collab, so dapat mag-teamwork din mo para ma-achieve ninyo yung goal. Number 3, environments. If a company, for example, is operating in a foreign country, then they must follow the country's rules and regulations. This is crucial to be able to adapt to the norms and fit in. So dapat kumbaga magsabay juga sa kuan mo, environment, kung asa ka dapat fit pug ka sa imong environment na nasudlan. So ang ikaupat kay isomorphism. Isomorphism ang kay kumbaga kanang parehas ra sila og tumong, pero lahi-lahi sila og pamaagi kung saan nila pag come up sa ilang goal. Institutional theory examines how organizations and their practices are shaped by the borders, social, cultural, and regulatory environment, emphasizing the influence of norms, rules, and shared expectation on organizational behavior and structures. So ang last, ma'am, ang institutional theory. Institutional theory kay isa sa ka pamaagi kung saan yung pagsabot sa behavior sa isa ka tao sa nakapalibot siya sa mga tradisyon niya, sistema like school, workplace, sa mga pamilya. So nga naman mo ng institutional theory.